Okay guys, we're going to do a writing project, and that writing project is called Who Am I? And it's going to be a writing project all about you. So you do have this in your packet. It's going to be a paper that looks, the first thing we're going to do is a paper that looks like this. So get that out of your packet, pause the video if you need to. So you'll need that packet and you'll need a pencil. Okay. So what we're going to do is this is day one of this. It's going to take us about 5-6 days to do this, but this is day one. So what we're going to do is at the top of this paper, let's get this over here, it says brainstorms nouns that describe you in the bubble below. Try for at least 10 words. You should very easily be able to come up with 10 words. The example, Mrs. Lavacamp used to be a third grade teacher here, and she made this for us. But it says Mrs. Lavacamp's examples, or her brainstorm bubble, might include words like teacher, mom, reader, camper, messmaker, creator, biker, and then she's got ... behind that. And those 3 dots just mean she could keep adding and adding and adding. Then below that there's like a gray bubble, and it says I am a, or I am an. So if I were to say, if I was just going to use Mrs. Lavacamp's, I could use I am a teacher, I am a mom, but say I'm an athlete, then I would say I am an athlete. So what I want you to do is I just want you to do the top part of this, and I want you to just put dots in here. So for instance, I'm going to put a dot and I'm going to say teacher. I'm going to put a dot and I'm going to put singer. And I'm going to put a dot and I'm going to say hiker. I'm going to put a dot and I'm going to say mom. Okay, so what I did was I just made a whole bunch of dots with words behind them. That's all I want you to do for part 1 of our Who Am I. Once you have 10, and you can have more than 10, but you need to have at least 10. Once you have 10 words in that bubble, then you are done with it for today. Put it back into your, you can put it in your red folder so that you know where it is. Okay, so right now I want you to brainstorm 10 things that describe you. Okay, you could have maybe you're a brother, maybe you're a sister. One thing I do want you to put on there, I just thought of it. I do want you to put on there that you are a student. So see how I put my student right here? I want you to make sure that you put that you are a student, because every one of you are going to use that one in your final draft. So, all right, right now, 10 brainstorming ideas.